I've had some good days. I've had some hills to climb. I've had some weary days and some lonely nights. But when I look around and I think things over, all of my good days outweigh my bad days, and I won't complain. Sometimes the clouds hang low, I can barely see the road. I ask one question, Lord. Lord, why so much pain? But He knows what's best for me. Although my weary eyes, they can't see. So I'll just say, thank you, Lord. I won't complain. He dried all of my tears away, turned my midnights into day. So I'll just say, thank you, Lord. You've been so good to me, to me. I said He dried all of my tears away, turned my midnight into day. So I'll just say, thank you, Lord. You've been good to me.